Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best studio lights is probably one of the most important investments you can make as a photographer, impacting everything from the mood and atmosphere of your shots to the technical quality and overall professional look. Choosing the right lights can dramatically improve your images, allowing you to control the lighting conditions precisely and achieve the exact look you're aiming for, regardless of the time of day or location. This video will guide you through the top studio lights available, helping you find the perfect fit for your skill level and photographic style. Number 5. Neewer Photography Lighting Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create professional quality photos and videos. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. It includes LED bulbs, umbrellas, and softboxes, giving you control over light diffusion and intensity. You can easily adjust the lighting to suit your specific needs. The sturdy light stands are easy to adjust to your desired height, ensuring stable and reliable support for your lighting equipment. The kit comes with a backdrop support system and 3 different colored backdrops, allowing you to create diverse and professional-looking backgrounds for your shoots. 2 convenient carrying cases are included for easy transport and storage of your lighting and backdrop equipment. Everything is neatly organized for easy setup and breakdown. Setting up this kit is quick and simple, even for beginners. You'll be ready to start shooting in minutes. What we like. It's a comprehensive package including backdrops and stands, perfect for beginners. Everything you need is included for a professional setup. If you're starting out and want a convenient all-in-one solution, this is the kit for you. What people say. The LED lights provide bright, even lighting, and the softboxes and umbrellas help diffuse it beautifully. Setup was straightforward, and everything feels well made for the price. The build quality of this kit is outstanding. The stands and backdrops are sturdy and well designed, providing a stable foundation for my photo shoots. The UL certified 5700K 800W equivalent 24W LED bulbs deliver a consistent and natural light source, allowing me to capture stunning photos and videos. The softbox and umbrella attachments further enhance the quality of the light, providing a soft and diffused effect that is perfect for portrait photography. The quality of the lights themselves is quite impressive, providing excellent brightness and versatility for various photography and videography needs. They have a professional feel and deliver consistent lighting. Number 4. Neewer 700W Softbox Lighting Kit. This kit is perfect for professional photography and videography. It includes everything you need to create stunning, even lighting for your projects. Inside, you'll find 2 24 by 24 inch softboxes, 2 35W LED light bulbs, 2 light stands, and a convenient carrying bag. It's all you need to get started. These softboxes diffuse the light beautifully, creating a soft and even illumination ideal for product photography or portraits. The E26 socket allows for versatile lighting options. Each bulb provides bright, flicker-free illumination equivalent to a 350W incandescent bulb. They're UL certified for safety and reliability. The sturdy aluminum alloy light stands are easily adjustable to your desired height, ensuring perfect positioning for your lighting setup. Quick release locks make adjustments fast and easy. Transport and protect your valuable equipment with ease using the included carrying bag. It's designed to keep everything safe and organized. This kit is ideal for various applications, including product photography, photo art, and scientific or technical photography. The versatility makes it perfect for many uses. What we like. This kit boasts powerful LED lights for bright illumination. The softboxes ensure even lighting, ideal for product photography. If you need intense, even lighting for professional product shots, this is your best choice. What people say. These softbox lights are excellent. The quality is great, they are easy to set up, and the lighting is perfect for photography or video projects. The set includes everything you need, and the carrying bag is a nice bonus for portability. The assembly process was straightforward, and I appreciated the simplicity of putting them together. They provide excellent lighting for my video calls and work well for my needs. My product photo quality has been drastically improved. Getting professional product photos is everything nowadays for online retail. Number 3. LINCO Lincostore AM169 Studio Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create professional photos and videos. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. These soft boxes eliminate harsh shadows and soften your light, resulting in beautifully even illumination for your subjects. The umbrellas further diffuse the light, creating a soft, flattering glow ideal for product shots, portraits, or video work. These durable lamp holders are designed for easy angle adjustment, securely holding your lights in place for optimal positioning. The high-efficiency bulbs provide bright, daylight-balanced illumination, ensuring accurate color reproduction in your photos and videos. This kit includes adjustable stands and a crossbar for easy setup and provides a versatile backdrop for your creative projects. The included backdrops offer a variety of options to suit your shooting needs, all designed for seamless use. The durable, waterproof carrying bag makes it easy to transport your entire studio setup wherever your creativity takes you. What we like. This kit offers a variety of lighting options and backdrops to suit your needs. The durable carrying bag makes it easy to transport your equipment. If you need flexibility and portability, this is the kit for you. What people say. All of these lights, backdrop setup and selfie stick that all fits in a small bag. Very sturdy. The lights do need to be set down completely on the top of the stand, and the equipment turns are plastic, so I was gentle with my turns and tightened slowly. The stands are powder coated, so they don't slip easily. The hardware is solid, and I never thought it would break or fall over. Assembly is easy and quick, and everything fits in the packing bag, as expected. Number 2. 180 LED Photography Lighting Kit. This versatile kit is perfect for both photos and videos. It offers professional quality lighting for stunning results. It's ideal for photographers and videographers. Easily transition between still images and video with beautiful, consistent lighting. It features a unique LED ring light design. This ensures soft, accurate lighting with a natural color temperature for flawless skin tones and crisp images. It's perfect for portraits, still life, and video. Capture professional-looking images and videos with ease. Use it for outdoor photos, indoor fill lighting, portraits, fashion, weddings, advertising, and more. It's incredibly adaptable to any situation. The kit comes with 2 LED fill lights, 2 retractable light stands, 2 dimming adapters, and a convenient carrying bag for easy transport and storage. Everything you need is included. What we like. This kit is compact and easy to use, with adjustable lighting for versatile applications. It's perfect for photographers on the go. If you prioritize portability and ease of use, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The lighting kit is a fantastic choice for photographers and videographers. This affordable kit offers impressive brightness and versatility, making it suitable for various shooting needs. Its easy setup, adjustable light stand, and customizable brightness allow users to achieve professional-looking results effortlessly. The 180 LED lights provide ample illumination for crisp, well-lit images. With these, you can use one or both. They're lightweight, super easy to set up and adjust. Super user-friendly and effective. Plus, they're in the same price range as the other lights I've purchased, so they're very affordable. I don't have the type of glare reflection issues I had before, and these give you way more versatility in setting things up, and to me that's where the huge value comes in. It is very easy to set up without reading the instructions. It takes up very little space. Able to make adjustments with the swivel feature and direct the light at an angle. The light output is a larger zone than my previous setup. I only need 2 rather than 3. The quality of the photos are much more even lighting and crisp edges. Number 1. GVM 800D RGB LED Video Light Kit. This kit is perfect for enhancing your video and photography projects. It offers versatile lighting options to suit any environment. It features 2 modes, adjustable color temperature from 3200K to 5600K, and precise RGB hue and saturation control. Easily match it to your surroundings. It offers 8 preset scene lighting options, including TV, candlelight, and more. Create the perfect mood for your shoot. It boasts an LCD display, multiple control modes, a stable mounting system, and a 360-degree rotating U-bracket for flexible positioning. Enjoy precise brightness and color temperature adjustments. Built with an aerospace aluminum alloy shell and American-made chips, it's designed for long-lasting performance and efficient heat dissipation. Expect a lifespan of over 100,000 hours. Download the GVM app to control color and temperature remotely from your smartphone. Precise adjustments are at your fingertips. This kit is ideal for YouTube, photography, and videography. Transform your shooting environment with professional quality lighting. What we like. This kit offers app-controlled RGB lighting for creative control and a long lifespan. It's perfect for YouTubers and content creators. If you need precise color control and advanced features, this kit is for you. What people say. They have 2 dial controls on the back that allow for 1. Adjusting brightness and 2. Adjusting hue, saturation, and temperature. Not only can you control them from the app, but they can be set up in host-slave configuration so that you are only adjusting one light, and then any light you have after that can follow along with whatever that light does. Perfect for making quick changes to your setup. The presentation of the product, in general, is nice. It comes with a nice padded soft carrying bag to store everything in. When you open it, everything looks well organized and protected in individual felt bags so they remain in good condition between setups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.